Hello, hi all, I'm Nishchal. Today I'm presenting my project named CyberGuardian, an AI powered security analyst agent. This is a Chrome extension powered by an AI agent, Gemini 1.5 Flash, that helps cybersecurity professionals analyze the threat, calculate the risk, and monitors the logs instantly without leaving their browsers. So, to reduce the mental load, our on an analyst by automating routine calculation and threat checks using agentic AI. So, what are the current problem in the industries and the challenges faced? Is like tool fatigue. Analysts have to switch between 10 plus tabs like SIEM, security incident, and event management, threat intel, calculators, spreadsheets just to track one alert. Alert overload. Tier 1 analysts are drowning in logs. They need a second brain to quickly filter noise from real threats. Manual calculation. Accessing risk often involves manual math, CVSS scores plus asset value. It's slow and prone to human error. Static workflows. Traditional scripts are rigid. If the situation changes, the script breaks. We need flexible, intelligent agents. So, what's the solution I built? So, my solution is not just a chatbot, it's a self correction and reasoning agent built on a principles of agentic AI. So the key architectural concept used is React loop. React stands for reasoning plus acting. The agent does not just guess. It follows a thought, action, observation cycle. It thinks about the problem, selects a tool, observes the output, and then answers. Emergent capabilities. Using Gemini 1.5 Flash, the model displays emergent behavior like understanding the context, making decisions that were not explicitly hard coded, strict, strict system prompting. I engineered the system prompt to avoid hallucination and force the model to goal directed, one of the core pillars of the agencies. So how it differs from other standard LLM? In standard LLM, it's like passive. Here is a poem about cyber security. But in my Cyber Guardian agent, it's a active. I will calculate the risk score using a Python tool I have access to. So let me go ahead and start with the live demo. So for that, first we need to run the bat file. So I'll go ahead and run the bat file. Now the agent is running. So let's go ahead and see over. So here you could see it automatically updates the library, checks my API key and select the best model. So in on here we could see a cyberpunk themed interface. The green dot means backend is connected via async await communications. So let's go ahead start with the first test case, that is testing the React loop. Now I enter the calculate the risk of a server for 20 opers and 5 critical vulnerabilities, importance of 8. So here look at the logs, you see thinking, then calling tool. This is chain of thought. The agent goes calculate the risk score. The function, because it understood the intent, the risk score is 140. The output is high. So now next go with second test case, that is threat intelligence external tool usage. So the concept is moving beyond the LLM's internal knowledge. So check if malicious domain is safe, maliciousdomain.com is safe. So now if I enter this, um, and an LLM would hallucinate the answer, but but my agent knows it does not know. It calls check threat intel tool to get the truth. So here you could see the output has been identified as malicious by Mock Intel DB with 99% confidence, and it is not safe. So this was the output. Now this third test case is continuous monitoring. async autonomy, concept autonomous action and persistence. So now I enter a prompt monitor logs for failed login attempts. Threshold is 3. So here we sync asynchronous execution. The front end waits while the back end runs a monitoring loop. The agent is maintaining a state and waiting to trigger. An alert has been triggered. So the output we got is alert has been triggered. For failed login attempt, event has reached the threshold of 3. So co- uh, that's all about my project. So, Cyber Guardian proves that agentic AI is not just a chatbot; it can be powerful tool for security operations. So, in future, I plan to add real API connections with Virus Total Splunk to make this production ready tool. Thank you for watching.